So you were all set for those sweet Macy's discounts. You applied for the card, and then that dreaded denial letter shows up. It's frustrating, a little embarrassing, and it just makes you wonder what went wrong. But don't let it get you down. That denial is not the end of the road. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you can take right now to possibly flip that no into a yes, and how to pump up your FICO score so you don't have to see one of those letters again. Okay, first things first, you need to play detective. The bank that issues the card, which is Citibank, is required by law to send you a letter called an adverse action notice. This letter is your treasure map. It spells out the exact reasons you were denied. Most of the time, it boils down to a few usual suspects. It might be a low FICO score, as Macy's and other store cards usually like to see scores around 640 or higher. Or it could be what's called high credit utilization. Think of it this way. If you have a credit card with a $1,000 limit and you've already used up $800 of it, that's 80% utilization, and that can make lenders nervous. Sometimes it's just a simple mistake, like a typo in your application or forgetting you had a freeze on your credit report, which can trigger an automatic denial. Now that you have an idea of the why, let's get into what you can do about it. Step 1 is something most people don't even know they can do. Make a reconsideration call. You can actually call the customer service number for Macy's cards and ask a real person to take a second look at your application. If the denial was because of a simple error, or if you have some new info to share, like a recent raise, a friendly conversation can sometimes get the computer's decision overturned. Step 2 is to attack the things that are dragging down your FICO score. Your score really comes down to two massive factors: your payment history and how much debt you're carrying. Your payment history is everything. Always pay your bills on time. The quickest way to give your score a serious boost is to lower your credit utilization. This one thing makes up a huge 30% of your FICO score. Your first goal is to get all your credit card balances under 30% of their limits. But if you want to get to pro level, get them under 10%. Just focus on paying down those balances, and you could see your score jump in just a couple of months. If your credit history is just a little thin, you can build it up by becoming an authorized user on a family member's credit card or by getting a secured credit card. And finally, just be patient. Applying for a bunch of credit all at once can look a little risky. Give it about 4 to 6 months before you try applying again. So let's break it down. Read that denial letter, call the reconsideration line, and get that credit utilization crushed. Getting denied is just a detour. It's not a dead end. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to an approval and a much healthier financial life.